Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do eyebrows by Anastasia Beverly Hills. We're going to start off with using the Anastasia Brow Primer and put it all over the eyebrows. You want to do this in a gentle motion, pushing the hair upwards and out, doing this every time you touch the hairs to give it that look. You may need to do this more than once, so feel free to be generous and apply as much as you need. You should see the eyebrow hairs going upwards and staying there. To fill the eyebrow, we're going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. So we're going to go in with a shade lighter than her eyebrows because we're going to match her hair, or try to match her hair in a lighter shade. Again, we're going to use upward motions to push the hair up and out to make it look thicker and more natural. Using brush 15 by Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm going to go through the eyebrow and push it upwards with nothing on it. So no colour, no product, just pushing it upwards and out. Next, I'm going to go in with the powder duo in the colour Taupe, just to lighten those hairs. You also may need to do this a few times to get that full and fluffy effect. Next, I'm going to be going in with Anastasia Pro Pencil in base 1. So I'm going to take this underneath the eyebrow and underline the rest of the brow to give it that sharp, clean look, but still keeping it natural. Here I'm just using a clean brush to just blend out the bottom of the brow. This helps keep the eyebrow looking even and tidy. I'm going to go back in with that empty brush and spike the hairs back up, fluffy up and out. Next, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Tinted Brow Gel in Caramel, and I'm going to layer this all over the eyebrow to give it that finished look and lighter shade to match her hair colour. You want to make sure you get all the sides even, and that's how it looks. You can see when you go for a lighter shade of hair colour, sometimes you need to even out the brows, and this is a perfect way to give a finished look. For me, I think it finishes the complete look and looks beautiful. If you want to see how I did this look, then keep watching and I'll post it on the next YouTube video. All of the products that I've used to achieve this look are from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So keep a watch out for the next video. I hope you liked this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.